All right, good morning. Make sure that you are putting your name on the top of your notes. Pause as you're watching and fill this out, and then afterwards you're going to complete the second side for your practice today. After our work with estimating percents of a number and thinking about the 10% method and the fraction method, what we're going to look at today is how do we actually find the percent of a number when we want the exact value. So remember, to determine the percent of a number, you need to remember two key points. The word of is going to mean multiply typically, and percents must be changed to decimals before you can multiply them. So that is super important. As we're looking through this, remember we're going to change a percent to a decimal by moving the decimal 2 places to the left or dividing by 100. So here 70% would be the same as 0.70 or 7/10 or 70 hundredths. And then we're going to multiply the percent by the given number. So if we're finding 70% of 150, we're going to take that 70 hundredths or 7/10 times 150 and we get 105. All right, so let's go through one together. So 40% of 120. So I want you to first change the 40% to a decimal. So 40% is going to become 0.40 or just 0.4. And now we're going to multiply the percent, which we just changed to a decimal, by the number. So in this case, by 120. And when I do that, I get a value of 48. So 40% of 120 would be 48. All right, so why don't you pause the video and try this last one on your own. So 60% is going to be 0.60. So we're going to take that and we're going to multiply it by our number, which is 70. And our answer then is 42. So big things to remember and take away. We're always going to change our percents to a decimal, and then we're going to multiply by the number that we are finding the part of.